Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this phenomenal BMW 3 Series 2 litre 320d M Sport Shadow Edition Auto. Now this vehicle is currently on 20,083 miles and it's had one previous owner from new. It's finished in the colour Glacier Silver, which is a £665 optional extra. Now this BMW has previously had the engine oil microfilter as well as the brake fluid services carried out. For more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now here at the side, you will find your 19-inch alloy wheels. You have your M Sport badging there on the side. Being the Shadow Edition, you get the contrasting black door mirrors there, along with the rear privacy glass. Now let's head and take a look inside to the rear here. You do have your gorgeous black leather interior. You have your ISOFIX points on the outer seat, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured for peace of mind. You do have a pull-out armrest there in the middle seat as well with two cup holders, which is very convenient and comfortable to have. You do have your rear air conditioning vents as well, so rear passengers can travel comfortably in the vehicle and store things away in there as well. Now let's go ahead and head round to the rear of the vehicle. You do have your 320d badging there on the tailgate. You've got your dual exhaust, and you can even open the tailgate using a button on the key fob, popping it open, providing easy access to the very nice wide opening spacious boot. You do have tethering points, so you can tie any loads down if you need to. There's some net storage there at the side and some additional compartments. You can fit plenty in there, such as a weekly shop, very nicely. Moving around now, let's go ahead and take a look inside here up front. Now the vehicle does have the leather multifunction M Sport branded steering wheel there. You've got a nice silver finish across the dashboard, on the doors and in the centre console. Your front seats here, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. Now that we've had a look around, I'm now going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this BMW 3 Series has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you will find your electric mirror adjustments that include folding, which is a nice optional extra to have. The mirrors will automatically fold in. It's super handy when parking on narrow roads, for example, as you prevent them from being knocked off by other road users as they do tuck nice and tightly into the vehicle. You've got your full electric windows there and a button for locking the rear windows if you don't want rear passengers to put them down. Throughout the vehicle, you'll find your Harman Kardon sound system, which is standard in the Shadow Edition range. If you're a music lover, this is a super nice touch to have. You do have automatic headlights as well as wipers, so when set to auto, you don't have to worry about turning them on. You will turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration. To the right of the steering wheel here, you do have your volume controls for the infotainment system. You can also change the source of audio. You even have paddle shifters as well for manual gear changes instead of using the automatic gear selector. To the left here, you have your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot held on the accelerator the whole time, and it does allow you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. Super handy if you're frequently on the motorway, because there's even a speed limiter you can set up using this. To the left here, you have your indicator stalk, and at the end of it, you'll find your trip button for the display here underneath your dials in the instrument cluster. You can display things like your average speed, your miles to the gallon, even the date on there, and how many miles you have left in your tank. Moving to the centre here, at the top of the dashboard, you will find your infotainment screen. It's controlled using the spinning dials and buttons here in the centre console. You can access all your different features very easily. You've got your media and radio with DAB, FM and AM radio. With your DAB, you do have nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you love listening to the radio, you can enjoy it nice and clearly. And it's very easy to find and tune your favourite stations into the vehicle with a list of different stations available to you. Alternatively, you can connect your own source of audio. There's a CD player, USB and Bluetooth connectivity. Of course, for your Bluetooth, you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whatever you need to. And it also ensures you don't miss any important phone calls here. You can use Bluetooth audio to play music and even Bluetooth to connect up with apps. You can input your contacts into the vehicle, making it super easy to call whoever you need to. The vehicle does have your navigation, so you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. Super nice, easy to follow guidance. You can change the view using the scroller in the centre to zoom in and out. It's got a very nice 3D effect to the display. You do have your connected drive system here. You've got your connected drive store along with your BMW assistance and messages. You can manage your mobile devices there, connecting up for an internet connection. You've also got some vehicle settings there. You can also access your service history here in the system. The vehicle does have The Advanced Park Pack, which is £895 and includes a self-parking feature along with the front and rear sensors and reverse camera. Super convenient to have. The vehicle will help find parking spaces when activated, and it can also even self-park into the space, making parking much more easier. But you do have the added bonus, of course, with the sensors and rear camera, giving you more awareness of your surroundings of the vehicle. Below here you do have your dual zone climate control. It does allow the driver and passenger to make their own preferred temperature choices for their side of the vehicle. You can even pick the direction of airflow as well. You can select your climate control options and not have to worry about anyone else. You do have automatic climate control as well. Super convenient if you don't want to keep fiddling around adjusting it when the temperature changes. You've got your max air conditioning as well. It's all very easy to use with the nice digital display there, giving you all your climate information. The vehicle does have heated front seats, and a nice touch as well, you have the heated steering wheel, which is a £170 optional extra. You can keep your hands nice and warm while you're driving. Nice touch to have in winter. Keeps you nice and cozy behind the wheel. Moving to the centre here, you have your automatic gear selector. To the right here, you have your traction control on and off, and underneath this you'll find your button for your different driving modes. You can see you do have Comfort, Eco Pro, Sport and Sport Plus, which changes how the vehicle performs and handles, so you can enhance your driving experience through these. It's a super nice touch to have. You can see with the Sport Plus mode there, you will have some optional dials as well. You can see displayed on the infotainment screen. Thanks for watching this video on the BMW 3 Series 2-litre 320d M Sport Shadow Edition Auto.
This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.